Former ZANU-PF Director for Commissariat, Davison Gomo, has urged the ruling party to intensify surveillance on opposition leader NELSONCHAMISA, warning against what he described as Western-sponsored forces. Sanapenda mashoko buda chinzi NELSONCHAMISA now are under attacks. Kuti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team na mnangagwa from chinzi. Gomo, who officially retired last week, was a key figure in mobilizing support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa during his tenure. In quotes, "I'm retiring from my position, but I will remain a ZANU-PF cadre for life," Gomo told the delegates at his favor party in Harare. "My advice is that we must protect our hard-won independence, as many sacrificed for this country's freedom. We have a duty to defend it, and we must not allow Western-sponsored forces like NELSONCHAMISA to take control." Among the most notable tools deployed under Gomo's leadership is Forever Associates Zimbabwe (FAASI), a secretive organization reportedly aligned with Central Intelligence Organization (CIO). FAASI rose to prominence in 2022 and was accused of operating parallel electoral structures during the 2023 elections. The group allegedly deployed operatives across Zimbabwe's 10 provinces to gather intelligence on voters, intimidate opposition supporters, and manipulate grassroots structures to secure a ZANU-PF victory. Another initiative established under Gomo's watch was the Varakashi Social Media Brigade, a loosely organized network of online activists and trolls tasked with defending ZANU-PF narratives, discrediting opposition leaders, and dominating digital platforms. Ndomashoko arikuda panguva ino hatiri kuona kuti vana Gomo vari kuva vachiexposewa. Hatiri kuona kuti aiwa kunyange zvake aiwa akaretire, but panguva ino anoramba akaisa ziso panari NELSONCHAMISA achiti aiwa these western powers tofanira kuti timaandamaine kuti asatomboraiza nokuda kwokuti we have had won this independence. Kunyange zvavo nyika iri kustrugula, zvatiri kuona nethe ruling party ZANU-PF iri kuzviona yoga kuti aiwa the current state yenyika haisi riyo. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi pina comment section medu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.